Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Coastal Scents haul. I had brought me some items on Black Friday. Well, actually it was before Black Friday. They had sent me an email 2 days before Black Friday, and I think it was like, I don't know if it was 50 or 60% off. I forgot. I'll leave the info below. I love Coastal Scents. I'm still new into getting into makeup. I actually used some of the colors from Coastal Scents today to do this eye look or whatever. And I actually found out about them in 2016 through just like browsing through like makeup stuff, and I seen like someone's like, you know, oh, they're like $1 and whatever. So they're only $1. Well, they were $1 when like back then, but now I guess because people are finding out how affordable and how some of their colors are really good that they started going up with the price. So I did go and buy me some more eyeshadow pots or whatever. They were each $1.48. Last year when I brought them, they were 99¢. But I mean, $1.50 is not bad anyway, because like from things I hear about other big brands, like they're expensive just for like those little things alone. But enough talking, and let's get to the makeup. All of my stuff came in this box right here. This is the Coastal Scents box. Nothing you know, cool about it. Before I start with the makeup, I'm gonna just show you guys what I got that's not makeup. Coastal Scents also sells like body stuff. They sell all natural body butters, soaps, and I have used their Shea Butter Oil, and I actually brought it last year around this time. Well, not this is December now, but I brought it last year in November, and this is the oil, and I have like, as you, I don't know because the light is kind of washing out. This is how much I have left from this oil, and I love this stuff. It's 100% natural. The only ingredients in it is the shea oil, and it's cruelty free, no testing, and it's from Guyana. And in the back, all it has is like the one ingredient, and then it just tells you more about the product. So this time around, I wanted to try a different oil for my body for this winter, so I brought me the coconut oil. And when I had got this coconut oil, I was reading like the reviews on it, and a lot of people were saying that it just is such a difference from what you feel with the coconut oil that you buy like in the store and when you go grocery shopping or whatever. So I was like, oh, let me try it out, since I already tried the shea oil, and I also have some of the shea butter that's too. So this is what it came in. It was actually packaged really good. This is in a 16.9 fluid ounce, and this is a lot. Like, it's just really heavy, and like I had this since last November, and it is, you know, it lasted me a while. And mind you, I only use this for like lotion in my body, and I know some can probably be like, oh my god, like how did that last for so long from a whole year ago. I don't go ham with the stuff because I also have this Shea Butter from Coastal Scents, and this is in a 10 fluid ounce, and I actually haven't like used too much of this either, like, because this stuff is really thick. But this is the Shea Butter that I also got with it last year. They also give you free samples, so like when you make a purchase, you can choose what free sample you want of, and I have used the coconut butter and the Shea Butter, so I knew how the Shea Butter felt, so I was like, oh, let me just get a big one because I like how it feels and it smells really good. So I got that, and these, like, this is like a really, these are good. These are, I think, $14 for these big ones, but for the sale, for Black Friday sale or whatever, I got this for like $7.98. And when I had got this one, I had paid $6.98 for this, I believe, and it was like $12. And then when I had got this was, I think I paid $5 for it, and it was like $10 or $11. So I don't know if we want to wait for next year's sale or just get it now, but these products I think is really good, especially if you don't like to wear stuff that has like perfume in it. Before we get into the makeup again, let me just show you the tools I got. So I purchased some brushes from their site. These are their brushes. I got 2 of these Pro Blending Fluff brushes, And I don't only own one Morphe brush, and like my friend gave it to me, but it kind of reminds me of like the Morphe brushes. So this is like what that is. And I got 2 of them. And then I got a classic blender natural brush, and this is what it looks like. It's nothing important, and it just has like the name at the bottom. And then I got me a Bionic flat top buffer brush, like a foundation brush. I don't really have that many foundation brushes, so I was like, let me just like get more. But I definitely needed some of these eyeshadow brushes, I feel like, since I was buying, you know, eye makeup. Now onto the makeup. So this is what the makeup and stuff came packaged in, and the cases, because I did buy 2 makeup palettes, and then I brought some more loose pots. As you can see, I brought a whole bunch this time around, more than I brought actually last year. And then I also brought me, since I brought me like new eyeshadows, I was like, I'm gonna need somewhere to put them. I brought me the 28 palette, empty palette case. This is it right here. Also brought me a mini travel one. This you can just put any kind of magnetic like eyeshadow or blush or whatever in here. So, and I want to show you guys the previous one of the case that I bought like last year for Coastal Scents. This is what my first palette I ever bought for them. This was an empty case palette too. I like this one because it came with a mirror, so that's good. These are just some of the eyeshadows that I had picked last year that are in this case. And the reason also why I had got an empty, like 2 more empty palettes, 2 more empty palettes, was because I have this. I just put this in the box. So I just put my like other stuff in the box with it. I have this color correcting concealer like palette. Like I took the concealer out, it was trash, but I have this palette and I kept it, and I had like my extra single eyeshadows that I couldn't fit in my thing. I had them in here, so that's another reason why I brought like new palettes, because I needed the space. Okay, so I just hurry up and threw some of these in. This is how my palette looks right now. It's not guaranteed that I'm going to keep it like this, because it looks really like not together, and I actually wanted to put it in like color coordinate. I tried to color coordinate it really quickly, and I just tried to like just throw it over here, but most likely this is not how this is going to be. I'm not going to keep this palette like this, but I just wanted to show you guys what the palette looks like. And all of my eyeshadows didn't fit in here, so I did put like the rest that I couldn't fit in here in like this travel size. But I mean, just look at this. How pretty does this look? I really like this. I feel like for anyone who's new into makeup or trying to get into makeup, I think this is great. You can make your own dupes of palettes that you like, and you can pick out your own colors. Do a few swatches of these pretty colors for you guys. I don't know, this blue, and you know what's crazy, I'm not even a blue person, but I'm gonna first swatch this blue color for you. Look at that, it's just so pretty. And I'm just going to the light is way too bright. I'm just gonna take it and go like that, and that's that blue color, and that's just like one swatch. Try this matte pink. So I'm gonna swatch this matte pink now. Ooh, this is the pink arm. Excuse my little warrior cut. Let's do like this goldish shimmery color right here. I'm gonna just swatch that one. Ooh, this is really, really pretty. Let me see. Can you see it? The light is way too bright. And I'm just gonna do that. Wow, that is really, really, really pretty. That one right there. That could be really good. That could be used for like a highlight. Look at the pigments. And then like all of this in my hands. I think this is a great palette for anyone who is starting in makeup, anybody who's like just now doing their makeup journey. I feel like this is like the best palette for you, because you can make your own palette. And like I was gonna buy me a Morphe palette, but like, and then one of them, I think it was a 3.5 or 350 palette. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I was gonna buy that palette, but when I like looked at the colors, it's like I was looking at it and it's like every color that was inside of the palette I know I wasn't gonna use. So what I like about Coastal Scents is that you can pick out your own colors and you know for sure what you're gonna use and what you're not gonna use. So I know I'm gonna use all of these colors that I have in my palette. Like, I'm gonna use all of them, and I'm glad that I got this stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned because I will be doing some makeup looks soon with my new eyeshadows. And again, thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks.